So our today's topic of discussion is AI development. I got a comment in my comment box that please help us telling that what is AI development. So basically this video I am going to tell you about what is AI development and what are the important things which you need to keep in your mind for AI development. So let's get started for that. So before that I want to add a slogan that you don't need a professional certificate for AI and ML, but you do need that you have a boundless passion for that. So with this slogan, let's start. AI development. So AI development consists of like you can understand it from the name also that AI and development. AI stands for artificial intelligence and development means to develop something. So basically AI development refers to that developing something in the field of artificial intelligence. In the field of artificial intelligence you are going to develop anything new. So that is basically AI development. And for developing something new, what are the basic requirements and important points which you need to keep in your mind that would be very useful if you want to go into that field. So that let's get started with that. So for this my first point is you should know the mathematics which is beside machine learning. Why machine learning? Because machine learning is a subset of AI. So you need to remember and cope up all the mathematics which is behind machine learning. So let's add a first point that understand maths of ML. Now moving to our second point, we have that you need to build up a strong foundation in any of the languages. Basically Python is the most preferable one. You need to mug up all the things that Python language has, all the functions, all the syntax and all the concepts which are included in that. So let's write a second point that you need to build up foundations in Python. Basically, you need to brush up all the things which you have learned in Python programming language. As told by me also in my previous videos that basically in the field of all these buzzwords, the main important things are mathematics and the programming languages, and that mathematics include statistics, probability, and that programming language which is included is Python. Now moving for our third point, you need to search for some online resources. You need to just search. It is not that you will get everything on your hand. You need to go and search that what are the things that I should go upon to learn AI development. So basically our third point is search the internet and free resources. Basically a lot of free resources are nowadays available on YouTube, on Google. So you need to go through all that things, and many programs, many workshops, all these are happening nowadays. So you need to keep in mind all that things and go through it. Now do I have a space? Like, okay, fine, let's write it here only. Our fourth point is that you need to just go and compete over a particular site. Like, let me give you example that there is a competition site called Kaggle. You must have heard the name of Kaggle. It is the biggest site in which you get questions, you get programming questions and competitions on the basis of that questions. On that you can go and search for any data, or you can prepare your own notebook. So basically I want to say that just you need to go compete over there with other people so that you can even get a better knowledge, because till then you will not compete with others, you will not gain more knowledge. So basically a fourth point is go for any my writing is very bad. I think I need to improve in that. Go for any you can say any competitions. Now our fifth thing and the most important thing is that you need to build some basic programs. You need to apply some basic AI algorithms in your program, and you need to start working upon that. Like, because when we collect small things, then it comes to a final product which we make. So basically the fifth point and the most important point is that you need to go through and practice the basic algorithms in AI. So fifth point is go through AI algorithms. Let me please clear it and write it again. It is in very bad handwriting. I think that you can't read that also. It is in that bad writing. So what was the point? That go through AI algos. And applying the AI algos, you should choose the best and the correct data for you. It is not like that you are choosing a very high level data that you cannot. I am not saying that you cannot make that, but in the beginning level, you need to start with small data, and then you should move to a bigger data. So you should choose your data in which you are going to apply your AI algos very appropriately, very I will say very confidently that you can do it, and you should choose in a very basic way. You should start with basic things, then you can move to higher data sets automatically. So basically our 6 things is choose the data sets. 7 seventh thing is that there is one more way that you can gain more and more knowledge, that you should join some online communities that contain AI development courses, and there would be many people that would be related to that, many discussions, many things to learn. So basically you should join any online community for that. There are many online communities which are there, so you should take part in that, and from there you should gain knowledge, and then apply that knowledge to your data set, and you will see that your product will be the best. So you need to join online communities. So basically these 7 things are the important for AI development. Apart from these 2, that understanding maths of ML and building foundations in Python, these 2 basically are the important one that you should must know in AI development. If you want to go for AI development, then you need to search things, explore more and more, and then you can get the resources and things whatever you like and work upon all that things. So basically search the internet and free resources. Now 4th is go for any competitions. I mean to say that if you will not compete to others, then how will you know that what are the things you are lacking behind and what are the things that you have? So basically competition is the must in AI development, and you can refer site Kaggle for that, and I will make my next video that what is I will explain in detail about Kaggle and how to use all that things in Kaggle. I will explain in my next video. So go for competition. 5th is go through AI algos. When you have learned the mathematics for machine learning and you have scope up and build up with the foundations of Python, then you must go for the AI algorithms. because I and you all must believe that behind a program, the main thing that works is the algorithm. We were in smaller classes, first we were taught algorithms, then flowcharts, and then we were moved to the programming. So basically algos plays a very important role. You should have a good command over data structures and algorithms topics for this. Now after that you need to choose the respective data sets with your choice, and in that data set you need to apply that AI algos and see what the output is. And now seventh, you should join some online communities for that, because from there you can gain up a lot of knowledge about the AI development and all that things. So I think that I have explained all the important things that you should need for the AI development, and what is AI development, and what are the important things and rules you need for AI development. If further you have any queries related to this, you can always comment me in the comment box. So I think this is all for this video. Let's meet in the next video. So thank you and bye bye.